Okay, this is a conductor of energy, but Judd doesn't know it. Put your hand around the end of this.
No, you.
It won't shock you. It won't do anything, I promise. Grab onto it. Well, it didn't work. Grab onto both ends. You're a conductor. Okay, so we figured out why it doesn't work. If Judd holds, now Judd, hold both ends in front of the, stand in front of here so you can see it. It holds. Now watch this. You hold one end and I hold the other end. Nothing happens because the circuit is not, we need to complete the circuit. Now watch this.
Let's high five.
No.
Mom, let's shake hands.
Now what if we both touch Cooper? Come here, Cooper. Hold it with your other hand. Come here, Cooper. Now let's both touch Cooper. Ah, maybe it didn't work. Cool. That's cool.
Is toast a conductor?
Is bread a conductor? Cool. Is the kitty cat a conductor?
No.
Go somewhere else.
That failed, but it's not.
Now we have this, which is called it's a bridge, a water bridge. We're going to see if these will conduct electricity. All right, Judd. I placed this in the first one. Now you put it in the last one and see if it makes a sound. Oh. Cool.
Oh.
So it travels over the aluminum foil into the next water.
Look, you don't even have to have much. Like you only have, like you can have it in the same one. See, like you'll be able to see, and then see, there'll be two.
Now watch.
One.
Put them in. Put one in each of those. Put one in that one. No, put one in each. Put one in there and put the red one in there. Now watch this. They don't connect when I take the aluminum foil out.
Unless if you like do it like that. See?
Well, because then they connect because they're in the same water. But when they're in separate bodies of water, they need the bridge. Cool.
Oh, and look, it needs another bridge to make it say a big old sound. See? Look, I'm taking out all the other bridges. Look, these are the only ones left.
Cool.
Now let's make it go farther. So then how many? So then you need another one. Okay, so then that makes that the construction hasn't happened yet.
Okay.
So then they're like, I can't get past it. So then it happens the bridge where they're like, sorry, it's gonna take a little bit. So then they just wait until there. But and then they're like, oh, I want to mate. And then they're just like, sorry, it's taking a long time. But then one falls in the water trying to cross. And then the other washes over the bridge. Whoops. And even calling it construction just about.
Conduction.
That's my conduction for today.